Hello and welcome back to Yoga Fit with Ed and Ros. I am Edrea and today we will learn Garudasana. Stand in Parvatasana, gaze at a fixed point ahead of you. From Parvatasana, first lift your right leg, cross it over your left thigh as high up as you can. Squeeze your thighs together. Hook the top of your right foot behind your left calf. Exhale and take a right arm underneath your left. Bend the elbows, pointing your fingers to the sky. Bring the back of your hands towards each other together. Take hold of your left thumb with your right hand if you can, or press the back of your hands together. Slightly lift your elbows. Keep the base of your neck and your face and jaw relaxed. Hold the pose for 60 counts, focusing at one point, then close your eyes and try to maintain the balance and focus. Hold the pose as long as you can. Increase the count with time. To come out of the pose, uncross your arms and legs and come back to the mountain pose. Repeat on the other side as well. You can try learning the position of your arms while sitting at your desk. Practice the wrapping of your legs while lying on your back or leaning against a wall for support. Build confidence in your balance by practicing Vrikshasana first. The video of Vrikshasana is linked in the description below. You can go through the video. Practice that first and then you can practice Garudasana because it's an advanced asana for balance and focus. It stretches the upper back and shoulders, improves hip mobility, strengthens the ankles and calves, improves balance and focus. If you have any issues with your knee, don't try wrapping the foot behind the calf. If you're still able to bend your knees, you can come into chair pose and cross the legs without wrapping the foot, or you can stay standing in mountain pose and just practice the hand position. Remember, practice makes everything better. It is very important to learn a correct form of yoga and maintain the right posture throughout the practice. Standing in a wrong position can cause injury on your back and inflammation too. It can put pressure on your knees and calves, which can in turn cause inflammation on your calves and hips. Please give a thumbs up if you like the video. It goes a long way in supporting my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and hit the bell icon too. Stay updated for fitness and lifestyle contents. Keep practicing yoga every day and I'll see you soon.